Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon. Thank you.
Yawa no dey at all for APC Muslim ticket. Make we comot mind from religious sentiment. Uzodinma. Imo State Governor Hope Uzodinma don meet with President Buhari on Friday for Aso Rock to change the Federal Medical Center Owerri to Teaching Hospital and Alvan Ikoku College of Education to Federal College of Education. Hope Uzodinma tok say dis one dey important sake of say Nigerian University Commission don approve medical school for Federal University of Technology Owerri.
And any moment from now, they will be requiring a university teaching hospital. So if Federal Medical Center Owerri is upgraded to a teaching hospital, it will be available to Federal University of Technology for use in maintaining and managing the medical school approved by NUC. And I'm so excited that Mr. President gave me the assurances that these two requests will be approved.
For the APC Muslim presidential ticket matter, Uzodinma tok say problem no dey at all and make Naija comot their mind for religious sentiment.
We should make emphasis on things that will unite the country. And please, by the grace of God, abandon those things that are capable of dismembering the country. Our national interest is important. Our national unity is important. Our ability to live together as brothers and sisters also important. The primary purpose of government is for the security of lives and property and the welfare of our citizens. To what extent have we supported federal government in achieving this primary purpose? Those are things that should occupy our minds now. But if you throw Nigeria into a situation where religious dichotomy, ethnic jingoism will be at the front burner, it means you are working against Nigeria. So let us allow political parties who have chosen their candidates, no matter the religion where they come from, to go out there and campaign. It is left for the electorate to reject the ticket by not voting for them, or accept the ticket by voting for them.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News.